Hello and welcome to my September 2019 StitchFix box. Let's see. Item 1, black jeans. Those are nice. Cute. New locale for try-on, sunroom, but fading light. But I do have a partner who's getting a lot older and bigger. Black jeans, keep. Item 2, I asked for jeans. So I got more jeans, kind of purpley jeans, crops. Are you coming? I'll edit it out, or are you gonna be in? Keep that part in. I'm not editing her out, she's here. Like purpley, maybe croppish jeans. All right. Item 2, they're kind of hard to see. They're capris.
You're not doing that.
They're stretchy. There you go. Pop of color, says my note from my stylist. What do you think? Keep? Probably keep. Item 3. What's happening? Mabel, something's happening.
What's happening?
I don't know. Romper? Dress? Sorry. It's a dress. It's a wrap dress. We'll try it on. I think it's a dress.
What's that?
I don't know. You're back in. It's like a wrap dress. It's bright colors. It reminds me of my grandma Ella. I like it. We'll try. Here's the dress. Because I wanted people to be able to see the fabric. It's cute. Spoiler alert, this will probably be my curriculum night look tomorrow night. Why not? It's new and fresh. And she says it looks like kind of 80s print, like 11 in Stranger Things. Item 4 is, this is exciting. Okay, some sort of top with dangles, and I think it's cute. What do you think of this? She's staying for the rest. Item 4.
I like it.
We'll see. We'll try. My partner was checking if her ride's here for a dance. This is this little top with the embroidery. Pretty snappy. I like it. Oh no. Probably keeping it. What do you think?
I like it.
Item 5.
Can I steal it?
A white t-shirt that Mabel says she wants to steal. It's too big for you. Simple white kind of t-shirt. We shall see. All right, last shirt with my fading light. I don't have a lot of daylight, barely any light inside the house, but it's just like a kind of a just a loose fitting kind of knit top t-shirt. And Mabel says she's stealing it. No, it's too big for her.
Don't care when I'm grown.
She's a smaller size than me. All right, thanks for watching.